god. It's been a while, man. I've never been able to get to the end of this game, either through Let's Play, on YouTube that I watched, or actually playing the damn thing. So, let's play. Chapter 1, an emergency call. Ooh.
All units, 1199, expedite cover code 3, Deacon Mental Hospital.
184
Okay.
copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
We on our way. Why is it?
Sorry, detectives. I know you're just coming off a case, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to make a
okay.
detour.
Sounds serious. Is it a riot?
A call went out just before I picked you up. Said it was multiple homicides. Half a dozen units already on scene.
You think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
I had this book here to tell me
Anyone
this.
on scene, respond.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation? Over.
184, be advised. Some problem with Ch1 on the Deacon Memorial.
Ominous.
Is there any-
scratching.
God damn it! Jesus!
What? The ringing in my ears. Wow. All the ice, ice, babe. Anime. Whoa. That foliage looks like crap. Let me just tell you that right now. Okay, so disturbance, multiple homicides. Everybody is freaking nowhere to be found. I think it's a very, very good idea. It's very smart to come in here. Okay. I guess we're ready to go. Housekeeping.
Smells like blood.
All right. Stay
Thanks,
sharp.
Einstein.
Someone alive in here.
Oh, okay, now I run. Oh my god. That's fun, sir.
Are you injured? What happened here?
Can't be real. Impossible. Ruvik is...
What?
I've got him.
Are you injured?
The security cameras might tell us something.
Oh, it's the live feed.
Bam, bop, bada bop, boom.
What the hell?
What the? Oh, that's.
Pow.
Oh. This music. We're getting into it, people. I don't know what I signed up for, but. You went here awfully quick, like. Whoa! Good at swinging. Get that knife! Get it! Get her done! Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. You wanna live or what, buddy? Come on, buddy! Am I supposed to press a button? Oh, okay. That was the quietest slam on the ground I've ever heard in my life. Just ah! Ew, there's squishings. How do I crouch? What am I supposed to do? Oh, that's our. Oh, ew. Okay, thank you. Sir. Sir. Hello? Okay, now. Ordinary keys. Yep, just your ordinary pair of keys, eh? You better go. You better go. Come on. That means I should probably start running quick. A, please. What are you doing? Use the keys! Okay, oh, you have a nice collection here, sir. Oh, that means go! That means go! Oh my god, that means go! This guy. Run! Go! Go, let's go! This is the part I don't like! Okay, yes. Ah! That doesn't nice. What? You're gonna kill me. Yes, you wanna go quick. Go, don't look behind, what? Go on the bottom! Oh, have fun. Look, it's like, whee! Woohoo! Ah! And in the good suit. This is... Ew. Get that out of your mouth, buddy. That's yeah, you're gonna get a lot of pink eye from that. Are we still in the asylum? Because I have several complaints. This place is not up to regulation. What's this guy's name?
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos.
I'm gonna call you Skippy. Okay? Hey, look, there's a guy right there. Maybe he can help us out. Hey, sir! Hey, you over there! If you grab me, sir, I'm not gonna appreciate that. Old note from the sewer. Beside the locked gate at the far end of the sewer, there's a ladder which would take you to the old ward. If you can make it through there, you will find an elevator leading outside. You'll be the one who escaped. You might be the one who survived. R. Oh. I completely forgot what that said. He. That man appeared. He-Man. Okay. I'd be scared. Oh, what? Get in there! Use your words, sir! Oh, you ain't messing around. No, do this one too. Oh! Okay, go. Ooh, okay. Ooh.
Can't let him see me.
Yeah, Don't tell me you're gonna saw through those. Uh-oh. Oh, we're going! We're going! Ah! We're going! Come on! We're going! Oh, we're going! Come on, Skip. Let's go, Skip. We're going. Oh, he doesn't know. Okay. Hey, Skip. Let's go, Skip. Checkpoint, Skip. Woo, Skip! First try, Skip. Go, Skip! Go, Skippy! No, he sees your blood! Go, Skip! Skip! Go! Skip! Skip, come on, bro! Skip! Get up and go! Oh, Skip. Oh, that's the quickest elevator door I've ever seen. And the strongest. Woohoo, Skip! Attaboy, Skip! You're like, oh God, man. What a day, Skip. What a day. Ding! My level, please. Where am am I? Ma'am? Ma'am, you can't. Okay. Oh, so I'm out. Oh, I'm out. Oh, I'm out. Okay. I'm out of here. If that place is supposed to be secret, why is there an elevator leading straight down it? Uh-huh. Oh! Oh, so the world is ending. Okay. Oh!
Detective! Get in!
Okay, let's go. Come on, Skipp! Come on, Skipp! Woo! He's like, oh, wow. Let Skipp in! Skipp's leg is fine, by the way. Don't worry. God. This is the worst limo drive ever!
Hey,
Whoa, buddy! Woo! Okay, sidewalk driving. We gotta hurry. This cop is on X Games with his driving skills. Oh. Now the buildings are driving.
Shit.
He's like, See, I love this game, bro. I love all the games.
Damn it. Are we cut off from everyone?
Everyone's
must be
probably
dead.
dead, Skipp. What'd you say?
Everyone all right back there?
Just a few bumps. We're fine.
Fine.
We will be once we're far away.
Fine.
A little further and we'll be fine.
Wow. What? Hey, you can't be back there.
Fine.
But, why you start driving crazy, Mark? Come on, Mark. Mark! Push him out! Look out! I don't want any of that on my pants. Boom. Wow! So, I'm probably gonna try to do a series on this. Because I've never freaking finished this damn game. I know it's old, I know people probably already know, but it probably has less editing so I can get them out quicker. But, we'll see where it goes.